let's move on to the case study 2, which says that quilts are available in various colors and design. Geometric design include shapes like squares, triangles, rectangles, hexagons, etc. One such design shown above, two triangles are highlighted, ABC and triangle PQR. ABC and triangle PQR. PQR. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. So here what we are given, जैसे हम देखते हैं कि मार्केट्स में बहुत सारे क्विल्ट्स अवेलेबल होते हैं, तो वो वेरियस कलर्स एंड वेरियस डिज़ाइंस के होते हैं. सो यहाँ पे भी कुछ एक ऐसा ही एक डिज़ाइन दिया गया है जिसको हमने डायग्रामेटिक व्यू में जब बनाया, सो वो कुछ इस तरीके से दिखा. तो इसी के ऊपर हमारे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं और यहाँ पे दो ट्राइंगल्स ABC एंड ट्राइंगल PQR को हाईलाइट किया गया है. बेस्ड ऑन these two triangles we have the questions that follows. So let's move on to the questions. Which of the following criteria is not suitable for triangle ABC to be similar to triangle QRP? So ऐसा कौन सा जो है क्राइटेरिया जो सुटेबल नहीं है इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर करने के. So we can directly say that RHS is not the suitable criteria because RHS similarity criteria नहीं होता. It is a congruency criteria. RHS, right hand side. But all these are congruency criteria as well as similarity criteria also. So हमारा ये RHS जो है, it is not a similarity criteria, so it is not suitable. So we can say directly that RHS is the correct option. 47th question. If each square is of length x unit, then length BC is equal to x root 2 unit, 2x unit, 2 root x unit or x root x unit. So here what we are given that each square is of length x unit. So in triangle, we are taking in triangle ABC, we have to calculate the value of BC. So this triangle is right angled at A. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. So BC is equal to under root of AC square plus AB square. So here we have written, so AC and AB is equal to x unit. So under root of x square plus x square is under root of 2x square. So x जब रूट से बाहर आएगा तो x root 2 units. So यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर जो आ जाएगा, it is A, x root 2 units. Okay, so now let's move on to the next question. Ratio BC upon PR is equal to, हमें निकालना है ratio of BC to PR. So let each square is of length x unit. हमें वैसे हमने let कर लिया कि ये x unit है और हमें पिछले क्वेश्चन में दिया भी था. So here AB is equal to AC. AB AC कितने हैं? x unit है. QR कितना होगा? x plus x, क्योंकि हर एक जो बॉक्स है वो हमने उसका जो लेंथ है उस हर एक स्क्वायर की जो साइड है वो x यूनिट है. तो x plus x is equal to 2x. QP is x plus x, that is equal to 2x. आप यहाँ पे यूनिट भी लिख सकते हैं, यूनिट्स यहाँ पे भी यूनिट्स लिख सकते हैं. और अब ओके, सो QP हमें मिल गया. QP is equal to 2x units. So now in triangle A, so हम AB upon QP, जब हम AB upon QP करेंगे so क्या मिलेगा हमें? x upon 2x which is equal to x से x cancel out 1/2. AC upon QR जब हम करेंगे तो x upon 2x that is equal to 1/2. So from 1 and 2 हम इन दो इक्वेशन से कह सकते हैं कि AB upon QP is equal to AC upon QR, which is equal to 1/2. Now in triangle ABC and triangle QPR, हमने from the previous equation 3, जो third equation थी, उससे हमने ये निकाला था AB upon QP is equal to AC upon QR is equal to 1/2, and we know that angle A is equal to angle Q, which is equal to 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR. Thus जब कोई दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है तो हम उनकी जो साइड्स हैं, कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स, उनका रेशियो इक्वल होता है. सो BC अपॉन PR is equal to AB upon QP is equal to AC upon QR. That is equal to 1/2. And what we have to find, हमें निकालना था BC upon PR का रेशियो. So BC upon PR का रेशियो कितना आ गया? 1/2. Hence C is the correct option. Now let's move on to the 49th question, which says that area of triangle PQR ratio area of triangle ABC is equal to. So यहाँ पे आप ट्राइंगल भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. So area of triangle PQR ratio area of triangle ABC is equal to. So यहाँ पे हम we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR. हमने प्रूफ किया था ये पहले. In the previous question we have proved that these two triangles are similar. So, and we know that the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So ABC जब QPR के similar है, so we can write PR square upon BC square is equal to 2 square. PR upon BC का जो रेशियो है वो हमने पहले निकाला था, that is equal to 1/2 आया था BC upon PR, तो 2 PR upon BC का रेशियो आ जाएगा 2/1. So 2 square upon 1 square, that is equal to 4/1. So area of triangle QPR is equal to area of triangle PQR because उनका एरिया सेम है. So hence we got इसका एरिया आगे आ जाएगा 4/1. Let's move on to the 50th question. Which of the following is not true? Triangle TQS is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle CBA is similar to triangle STQ. Triangle BAC is similar to triangle PQR, and triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. But we know that हमने तो अभी इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में प्रूव किया था कि triangle QPR is similar to triangle ABC. But here what we are given, triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. So that means we can directly say that this is not similar. They are not similar. The triangles are not similar. It should be triangle QPR is similar to triangle ABC. Hence the correct option is D. Thank you.